Hey guys, we're inside the Maverick Tremor today, and I'm going to show you a feature that is very important that you know how to do if you have a Ford or Lincoln. This is on any model that they offer. It's very important that you hook into your Wi-Fi at home and set up your password so your vehicle can connect to your Wi-Fi, and then also to set up your automatic updates. Updates are sent out through the internet by Ford and Lincoln, always to update your vehicle, to fix bugs in the software, kind of like your phone does. It updates it to keep it in the best shape for you for driving conditions. So I'm going to show you now how to get to those areas in your settings to set up, connect to your Wi-Fi, and then set up your updates. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do, this is the screen on a 25 Maverick Tremor. I'm at the home screen, and on the right side here, you see where it says settings. I'm going to click on settings. I'm going to look for connectivity, and I'm going to look for Wi-Fi, and I'm going to look for available networks. Okay. Now, if you're at home, you're looking for your network, and when you see your network, you're going to click on it and then put in your password so that your vehicle can connect to the Wi-Fi at your house. These are the ones that are available here at Long Lewis. All right, once I click on a device and put in our password, at that point, it's going to accept and Wi-Fi connected. At that point, you need to make sure that you have your updates set up to be updated at the proper time. Software update. So I slid over the screen. You see there's two spots here telling me there's two screens basically. We'll go over to the second screen where I'm looking for software updates. I'm going to click on software updates, and I'm going to click. Right now it says no standard set. It is set for automatic updates, but it doesn't know when to do it. So now I'm going to click on recurring schedule, and I'm going to pick any day at 1 a.m. My mom always told me that nothing good happens after midnight, so I ought to be home at 1 a.m. So it's set up now to get your updates anytime. It's going to check at 1 a.m. every night. If there's an update that Ford has or Lincoln has sent out, it will get that update sent to it. So I hope this helps you out. I hope that you learned something today good. It is something you really need to make sure it's set up at your house. This is setting up your vehicle to the Wi-Fi. Guys, I appreciate you listening and taking the opportunity to follow me, Keys from Karl. And I appreciate you guys, everything you do. And remember, get your keys from Karl.